Howdy.
Howdy.
We're the Mulgisman Band, and we're really pleased to be here with you today.
Hell yeah.
We were sent here by God to entertain the good folks of Canada. Go Tyler.
Ja. Hei.
Don't believe one big harmony. That stuff ain't for a boy like me.
Og það hérna Mál of America, flottastir. Nennum ekki til Kanada, ekki bili. Herðu, skítaklessan komin hérna. Sjáu þið, skítaklessan, Finn komin, leita hötta feita. Kemur tveir. Höpp! Höpp! Hei! Hó!
Just give me that beat, and let's drive. Something that makes me feel more alive. Well, I'm all alone. I've got